In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar on Squarespace. Now, this tutorial is ideal for anyone looking to add a functional and visually appealing calendar to their Squarespace website. Whether you're showcasing events, running a booking site, or just want to keep your visitors informed about upcoming dates. We're going to go through this process step by step, aiming to get you from start to finish in around 5 minutes. First, let's begin by navigating to the Squarespace website. It's important to start here because we need to access your Squarespace account. By going directly to Squarespace, you ensure that you're entering a secure environment to work on your site. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking this will take you to the login screen where you can proceed to the next step. Now, for logging in, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This is incredibly convenient if you have a Google account, as it streamlines the login process. By choosing to continue with Google, you bypass the need to remember another password, making it quick and easy to get into your account. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your Squarespace account. This will seamlessly link your Google and Squarespace accounts for an easier login process. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to the specific website you want to add the calendar to. If you have more than one site under your account, make sure you select the correct one. Squarespace's user interface is pretty intuitive, so locating your site should be straightforward. After selecting the correct website, it's time to start the editing process. You'll want to go into your site's config or settings page, where you'll find various customization options. Look for an edit button or link to enter the editing mode for your site. This mode allows you to add content blocks, change layouts, and personalize your site. In the editing mode, your next action is to add a new content block. Squarespace offers a variety of blocks to choose from, but for today's purpose, we're specifically looking to add a calendar. So look for the Add Block option, which will open up a list of all the content blocks available. In the list of content blocks, navigate until you find the calendar block. The calendar block is what we're going to use to create and customize our calendar. Click on it and you'll see it appear on your page. You can then start customizing it to fit the look and feel of your site, as well as inputting any events or dates you want to highlight. The final step is to save your work. Look for the Save A button, which should be easy to locate, often at the top or bottom of the screen. Clicking Save will apply all the changes you've made, including adding the new calendar to your site. Congratulations! You've just successfully added a calendar to your Squarespace site. This is a fantastic way to keep your visitors informed about any important dates, events, or schedules related to your site or business. Feel free to go back and tweak or add more events to your calendar as needed. Remember, the more you play around with Squarespace's features, the better you'll become at customizing and optimizing your site to fit your needs. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we encourage you to explore more features to enhance your site further. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.